Live from 42nd Street, this is the Pix11 News at 4.
If you're looking for a way to keep the kids busy this summer, well, we've got you covered. Former fashion designer turned founder of the fashion class, Kerri Quigley, is here with some fun craft ideas. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Okay, so you're going to show us how to create some summer sustainable crafts that the whole family can enjoy. But first, why is crafting important to you?
You know, I get some of my best ideas during crafting because my hands are busy, my mind can wander and problem solve. So for kids, this is especially important because it teaches them how to make decisions and overcome small challenges. It's not always about making something useful and pretty. It definitely helps problem solving skills and fine motor skills as well. I have a 2-year-old, I'm always crafting with her, and I'm amazed at her progression.
Okay, so you definitely have some pretty t-shirts here,
yes.
First of all. What are we making today? Let's go ahead and get to it.
We are going to be making an upcycled beach bag out of an old t-shirt. So the best part about this project is you only need scissors and a t-shirt.
Okay, let's go ahead and get started. What should I be doing?
All right, so we are going to start by cutting off the sleeves. So you want to just cut on the inside of this seam here. Okay. And it's okay if you cannot make it. It's okay if it's scraggly. I'm going to show you how to fix that.
Okay. All right, there's the first sleeve.
Yep, it's scraggly. You just give it a nice little pull.
Tug.
And it curls up that fabric nicely. And then let's flip it around and we are gonna start cutting off this neckline.
This one?
Yep, and you want your neckline to go as low as your sleeves.
Oh,
so,
okay, I see
Yep,
it.
so come to
so
about
down
here.
and then do it as a curve?
Do it as a curve, yep.
Okay. So my line isn't as straight, but what advice would you have for like parents who have kids who are afraid of messing things up or not doing it perfectly?
You know, mess ups are a great way to just continue to teach how to problem solve. Okay. It's a great way to turn it into a positive.
Okay.
You know, bring out that sparkle and glitter and cover up the mistake.
All right. Okay, so the bottom is where we see the fringe?
The bottom is the fringe. So we're gonna cut about 5 inches up. Don't worry if it's not exact. And you're gonna cut about the width of your thumb. Okay. Straight up.
All right, tell us a little bit about this fashion class that you do.
Sure, so I've been doing this for 13 years and I am on the Upper East Side and I teach kids how to sew. Okay. So kids will make their own clothing in my classes. I do summer camps and birthday parties as well. And it's just a really positive, fun environment for creativity. We start as young as 2 years old, work primarily with children and also with adults as well.
My cuts are definitely not.
That's fine.
I like to color and cut outside of the box.
Even. Those are great.
All right, let's go ahead and move down.
So you finish doing this all the way across, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's finished. We could leave the scissors over here. We have this beautiful shirt with some fun fringe. Okay. And we have some beautiful fringe at the bottom with some nice movement. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these pieces front and back and you're going to tie them.
Tie them.
Tie it nice and tight and then tie it a second time.
Okay.
And then a double knot, yep. And you can pull on these strings to give them that nice little curl.
And when we've tied them all the way to the end, what is our end result?
And then when we are done, we have a cute little beach bag.
Love it.
And these can be used for
So
anything.
cute.
Thank you. That they're so easy to use and wash. Shake sand out of, just a really fun, easy craft that anybody can do.
All right, well, looks good. All right, Kerri, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much.
All right, and to learn more about the fashion class, you can visit their website or follow them on social media.